Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to another video of my side quest project with Kivent. Today I'm going to show you how to install Kivent on your Windows. So first of all, sorry about the pixels on my screen. I'm running Windows on a virtual machine. Second of all, we are going to install four things. But before we start, I want to mention that this installation is for building Kivent with Windows MSVC build tools. If you want to build with Mingway, I will put a link in the description to a video I did in the past, or you should see it somewhere at the top here. Alright, so without further ado, let's get started. So first of all, head over to your Binge or Google or whatever you use. Search for download Visual Studio Build Tools. It should take you to this site. Please head over here and download this. Once you're done, you should go over to your downloads, extract this out. Do I have closed mine? I have already installed it. You need to install the MSVC build tools, C++ compiler packages, and all of that. Like, go install the desktop environment. You'll get different options. Just install the desktop environment. That should do it. Okay, so outside of that, next thing we need to download is this guy. Head over here, download Windows Start 2-bit glue OpenGL Wrangler, something like, I don't know. So Kivent will be needing this. Kivy came with its own stuff, some library for OpenGL, but then it doesn't expose the header files and the .lib file. Yeah, so but you need to download this. Once you are done downloading it, next thing you need to do is to head over to this. Thank you. You need to open this. Once it's done downloading, go to include, copy this folder. Just copy the folder, don't go inside of it. Then head over to your local disk C, program file, Microsoft Visual Studio 18, community, and VC, venture capitalist. Okay, then head over to MSVC, then this guy, then go to include, paste it. This is mine. I've already pasted mine. Just paste that folder there. Make sure the folder is not empty. So next thing on the list is that we need to get back here. Open this guy up again. Go ahead, copy lib, release, x86 64. You need to copy both of them, or you copy only this one. Anyone you no, I think it is this. I don't know whether it is both. Let's copy both for now and head over to, let me see if this back button will take us back to where we came from. Yeah, so head over to this guy. You know how we got inside here. Go to lib x86 64 and paste it. Let me see if my X is here, EFG here. Yeah, okay, it's only glue32.lib that you need to paste in here. That's it. If you're using Mingway, you'll see how I did it on Mingway. Okay, so once you're done with that, we'll close this out. Next thing we need to do is to head over to Kivent GitHub repo. Like on our Mac, you download this guys, download zip, head over to your Simon and download zip also. So once you're done, head over to your beautiful IDE, whichever one you use. I use PyCharm. PyCharm is so great. So I'm going to minimize that and unminimize this. So I'm already inside my PyCharm. I have copied over Simon and Kivent. First thing we need to install is Simon. there is an instruction on how to install Simon, which we would follow. Sorry, not you. Yes, this instruction. We don't need this. Don't include this. So what we need to do now is to open up our terminal. Yeah, I'm on Windows, and Windows terminal takes like forever to open. It's normal. Okay, so next thing is to run this. It's going to always take Windows time to type something on my beautiful terminal. What is going on with Windows? I don't want to cut this video. I just don't want to cut this video. It types here, but here, okay, it's typing now. Thank you. Python setup. Okay, sorry, we have to cd into Simon and then run that command. Python setup by, sorry, remove that slash, build ext install. Okay, so we forgot to do pip uv add setup tools, and what again? UDP and Python. Yes, we forgot these two things. Okay, great. So setup tools and Pythons are installed. I'm going to run that command. And it's going to take Windows like forever to kick up. I hate Windows. So it's going to start the installation process. Just that Windows sometimes, I don't know. But anyway, as it is installing, let me tell you a beautiful story because I don't want to cut this video. um, so once we're done installing the Simon, we need to delete it, because if you don't delete it as you're installing Kivent, and there are some dependencies on Kivent that depends, I mean there are some modules on Kivent that depends on Simon. So what you need to do is to delete Simon after you are done installing, because if you don't, it's going to go and use this instead of the one it installed on inside of Vim folder. So we don't want that. We want Kivent to work perfectly, right? Okay, and after this we're going to run some sample examples to see if it's working. So once you see this, your Simon is done installing. It is not an error, it is nothing. It's just telling you this overview, blah blah blah. It's done. Okay, so we are done installing Simon. So we need to delete da. Yep. Okay, so we are done deleting. Next thing is for us to go over to this modules. So yeah, let me raise my Python. Okay, let me just do CLS so I can start from there. I have to do cd, then cd Kivent modules core. Yep. So now I have to run the same beautiful command, this exact command, to install the core module. Okay, it says I've not installed Kivy, so uv add Kivy. Okay, Pigment, you'll be the one to kind of like stress my day to day. It's not fair. You should have downloaded. Why are you updating? I think it's updating. You should have downloaded earlier on when I tested you. Okay, I'm going to do CLS so I can be seeing my screen. Come on, up button not working. What? I hate Windows. Okay, so Python setup py build. We're going to do that, and it should start installing. Okay, it takes time for this things to install. Anyways, Windows, I'm done. I'm just done. Okay, so it's starting the installation process right now. It's using these utils. Uh, I don't want to cut this video. That is why I am entertaining you guys. Yeah, just watch my beautiful face, or try to understand what's the process going on here. I don't want to spend time editing this video. It takes time to edit videos. Okay, so lots of warnings. I hope this is not going to throw an error. I think, yeah, if it's going to throw an error, if it throws glue.lib or glue.h error, just know that you have not put your glue.lib where I told you to put it. So go back to the beginning of this video, re-watch it, and do exactly what I told you to do. If not, you're going to have issues. As you can see, I downloaded these from Kivy's upstream repo. So this Kivent and Simon came from Kivy, not my own branch anymore, because the update I pushed out has been merged. So don't use mine again. Mine is kind of like outdated. Use Kivy's upstream project. I think it's almost done. Okay. Yeah. Generating lots of code. I hope it's done anytime soon. Okay, I think it's compiling the PYX and PXI files. The what's it called? The Cython codes. Yes, that's what's happening right now. It's compiling the Cython codes. Um, I think that so many. There are some header files, and there are so many what's it called? Cython codes in here. Let me check. Yeah, Kivent core. Okay, yeah, I knew it. So, manager. Oh, there are lots. Memory handlers. There are lots. What about rendering? Oh, so it's going to take a bit of time to get done with this process. Again, I don't want to cut this video. That's why I'm entertaining you guys. If you don't want to watch me talking, you can skip the video to where there is much of an action. So, but you have to watch this with me, because I'm not gonna cut. Enjoy it. I mean, this is Windows. On Mac, it was fast. On Linux, it's going to be extremely fast. Here on Windows, it's like, okay, wait. Oh, okay, give me some time. Oh, okay, let me think about this. It's it's going nuts. Like I'm already tired of this. If it is, I don't know how you guys survive on Windows. I don't know. I don't know why Windows is where people prefer to build their games. Platform people prefer, gamers prefer to play games on. What happened to Linux, guys? Wake up! You guys should be using Linux to play your games. And the Linux community, you guys need to start supporting good gaming. I mean, let people stop using wine. What is wine? I hate wine. Wine is shit. I hate wine. Using wine to play games on Linux is, I mean, a whole lot of configurations just to play a damn game. So it is done installing. Thank you for listening to me. So, you're going to see this window. It's kind of like doing its thing and all of that. Okay, so we are done installing that. I'll do CLS. So we not get any errors from glue, which means we installed our glue correctly. So next thing I have to do is cd the dot and cd into what's that Simon, and then I'm going to run this. This shouldn't take time for Simon. So this is like this is not the original Simon that we installed. This is like Kivent Simon, in the sense that it depends on the original Simon that we built. So this is for physics. Yes, this is for physics. So if you want to do any kind of like crazy animation, or you want to do stuff like you want to emulate a real world event, let's say you throw a stone, what's the speed, the velocity, the I don't know. I don't know anything about physics. I think I dodged most of my physics class, I guess. I think I attended physics. I dodged it. Okay, so we are done installing that. Can you help me click? And I'm going to do CLS, cd that into MERPs, then do that again. So you're going to keep doing this for the rest of the actions. This video is running into 20 minutes. This is 16 minutes already. Because it is Windows. On Mac, it took me 12 minutes. Just 12. 12. It's not even supposed to be 12. It's supposed to be around 8 or thereabout. I think I had some glitches and... I mean... Oh, guys. This is crazy. Oh, there's a pause button here. Okay, I'm not gonna pause. Because, sometimes I've had issues in the past where I pause something, it corrupts. The rest of the video, it will be corrupted. I don't know. I'm not gonna pause it. Okay, I'm going to do a CLS and that's cd dot slash particles. So you might be asking, isn't there a script to run all of these at once? Yes, there is, but it's only for Linux and Mac. There is no bat file here, so I'm not going to write one. Don't ask me for one. I'm not going to write one and place it. You have to go through this stress. If you're on Windows, you have to go through this stress. For Linux guys and Mac guys, this is the script here. Yeah, install all.sh. Yes, once you just do // install all.sh, you are good to go. For Windows, no chance. Sorry. Except you're on Windows and running WSL. Okay, yeah, you can go ahead. But no .bat.ps1. Is it PS1? PlayStation 1 for you. Okay, guys. It's done. One more. You might think we're done. We are not done. So cd / projectiles, and this is the last one, I promise. The last stress we are going to go through today, and after that we are going to run some few sample examples and see how it works, because Windows is crazy. It takes a whole lot of time on Windows to get things done. Oh, okay. I thought someone was on my call or whatever it is. Projectiles, you are not supposed to be taking time like this. Does it have lots of C files? Oh, okay, it's done. It's done. Goodness. So next thing we have to do here is we can safely. Okay, no, I'm not going to delete that because we need the examples. Let's start with the empty example. If this empty example doesn't run, then it means we are cooked. So let's wait for Windows. Okay, thank God Windows opened faster than Mac here, because Mark does Rosetta stuffs behind the scene. It worked perfectly. Then we will run this and hit that play button. Oh my god, this looks awesome. Okay. Now we're gonna test this. Oh god, what am I doing? We're gonna see some stars. Stars on the ceiling. Stars. Ah. Okay, so running at 73, 82 FPS. Close, man. Just close. I mean, don't worry about these arrows down there. It's nothing. It only occurs when you close your program. It's nothing. Just don't bother about it. Then creating. I think this should be, uh, yeah, where the stars are moving. Thousands of stars. Exactly. So, it might be glitching a bit here. Okay, it's still running fast, but due to I'm running on a virtual machine and I didn't give it enough graphics, enough CPU stuff and graphics card and all of that, so it's going to look crazy here. But if you run it on your local system, it's going to be perfect. Okay, so adding phases. I think this has to do with rocks or I don't know. Yeah. Oh yeah. Rocks. The FPS is already dropping because I'm on a virtual machine. If you are not on a virtual machine, the FPS won't drop a bit when you are adding. Trust me. So, but then, as you can see, after adding, it climbs up again. Okay. Um, Interacting with phases. This is where we have to now drag a ball. Yeah, drag a ball, hit, drag a rock, hit. Pa, 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 pa. Okay, let it go. Yep. So there are some example I didn't test on Mark, though it works fine. So this is for map. Let me check this out. Not all of them will work. Some will fail. Okay, so no module name TMX. What I'll do here is to do UV. Okay, okay. Windows. I mean, I can't even type anything on my terminal. My own terminal. Oh, sorry. It was my Mark taking over the cursor. Sorry, Windows. So I'm going to do UV add TMX. So it's going to install TMX for rendering map. Um, Not like Google Map or OpenStreetMap, like drawing your game map. You will know what game maps are soon. Okay, not again. 6. UV add 6. What is 6 used for? I've been seeing this 6 for a very long time. What is 6? I don't know. I need to check it out. I want to know what it is used for. Uh, not. I'm not trying to render you stressed up map. Not you map. Um, there's something I'm looking for, is it TMX loader? I don't know. Let's see. Let me do that. And then run this. I want to see a tiny map at the bottom. Oh yeah, yeah, this is the map. So I can drag that map. As you can see, this is how you render your farm game. You have people coming from here, going there to attack this village. That village moves over there to attack the other village. So this is how you can build your map. Don't worry about these shapes. These are shapes rendered on top of this map to show you that you can render a shape and all of that. Alright guys, thank you for watching, and see you on Linux version.